To be a super learner is the most important ability you need to succeed in 21st century. In the age of technological innovation, keeping ahead depends on constant self-education. A lifetime mastery of new models, skills and ideas. In a world that is changing very fast, the ability to acquire a new skill as fast as possible is quickly becoming a necessity. The good news is, you do not need a natural gift to be better at learning anything new even when you have a full-time job. A lot of polymaths, people who have surpassed in diverse pursuits, including Charles Darwin, Leonardo da Vinci, and the Nobel Prize-winning physicist Richard Feynman, claimed not to have extraordinary natural intelligence. We all have sufficient brainpower to master a new skill. We use the right tools, approaches, or apply what we learn precisely. Almost anyone can learn anything, with the right method. Better learning ways can make the process pleasant. The key to rapid skill gain isn't difficult. If you aim to learn a new skill to advance your career this year, some of these habits can be helpful for you. 1. Super learners read a lot. What reading is to the mind, exercise is to your body. It provides us the right to roam the expanse of space, time, history, and offers a wider view of ideas, concepts, emotions, and knowledge. Your brain on books is active, growing, changing and creating new connections and different patterns, depending on the kind of material you are reading. Highly successful learners read a lot. In fact, most successful people share this affection for reading. They don't see reading as a burden but as an opportunity to better their lives, careers and businesses. Elon Musk grew up reading 2 books a day, says his brother. Bill Gates reads 50 books per year. Mark Zuckerberg reads 1 book every 2 weeks. Warren Buffett gives 5 to 6 hours per day reading 5 newspapers and 500 pages of corporate reports. In a world where information is the new currency, reading is the most reliable source of constant learning, knowledge and getting more of that currency. 2. Super learners view learning as a process. Learning is a journey, a discovery of new knowledge, not a target. It's a fun lifelong process, a self-directed and self-paced tour of discovery. Following any topic, idea or new mindset needs not only keen observation but more essentially, sustained curiosity. Learning is like an investment that pays for itself in increased earnings. More than ever, learning is for life if you want to stay connected, indispensable and succeed in the changing world of work. 3. Super learners admire the process. They don't have an end goal, they seek steady improvement. They keep learning new principles, methods, worldviews, thinking patterns, etc. The ongoing, voluntary, and self-motivated hunt of knowledge is important for their development. 4. They adopt a growth mindset. You can't go wrong developing a growth mindset. A learning theory explained by Dr. Carol Dweck that revolves around the idea that you can improve intelligence, ability and performance. Developing a growth or adaptable mindset can help you focus more on your desired goals in life. It may influence your motivation and maybe make you more easily able to see opportunities to learn and grow your skills. The capacity to keep an open mind, obtain better knowledge and apply it when needed can significantly enhance your life and career. 5. Super learners teach others what they know. According to analysis, learners retain about 90% of what they learn when they explain, teach the idea to someone else, or use it directly. Teaching others what you know is one of the most efficient ways to learn, remember and recall new information. Psychologists call it retrieval practice. It's one of the reliable ways of creating stronger memory traces. Learn by teaching someone else a topic in simple terms so you can instantly pinpoint the cracks in your knowledge. The final test of your knowledge is your ability to transfer it to another. A good way to read, process, retain and remember information is to learn half of the time and share half of the time. As for example, rather than completing a book, aim to read 50% and try remembering, sharing, or writing down the important ideas you have learned before proceeding. 6. Effective learners take care of their brains. Keeping your brain fit keeps it sharp. What you do or do not do for your brain can change how your record process and retrieve information. Everyone wants to live an active life as long as possible. And that goal depends on a healthy brain. That means having a lot of foods linked with slowing cognitive decline. Blueberries, vegetables, leafy greens, kale, spinach, broccoli, whole grains. Getting protein from fish and legumes and taking wholesome unsaturated fats, olive oil, over saturated fats. Fruit and vegetables resist age-related oxidative stress that causes wear and tear on brain cells. Our brains naturally decline if we do nothing to defend them. However, if you intervene early, you can slow down the decline process. It's easier to protect a healthy brain than to try to fix the damage once it is extensive. They take short breaks, early and often. Downtime is important to remembering anything you choose to learn. According to recent research, taking small breaks, early and often, can help you learn things properly and even improve your retention rate. Better breaks help the brain, memories through the rest periods. Whatever you choose to learn over time, it's important to optimize the timing of rest intervals for more reliable results. Our brain's neural network needs to time process information. So spacing out your learning helps you memorize new information more efficiently. Give your brain sufficient time to rest and recover.